So the first 14 years, kids living in a place where more people have awakened or working on awakening the non-mechanical parts of the brain will do so much good which cannot even be told by words. Just living, see, accessing the cosmic information center is not like a technique need to be taught step by step. Just if the kids know, wow, this kind of a person, extraordinary intelligence exists, that's all they need to know. That conviction is the internet access, that's all. Now the information which I said, that like this I had access to the information which was not fed to me through the eyes or ears. If they know that, that's enough. Their sixth sense, the balance, will just get awakened and will start functioning. And you will see in few days they also start expressing informations which was never fed to them through through the hearing or seeing. Over. I am opening up a great new possibility. Our Gurukul system is nothing but awakening the non-mechanical parts of the brain, that internet access. That's all. Ordinary education system, the Western education system, the book-based education system, the information education system, information-based education system, teaches you how to use your brain as a computer, personal computer, PC. But N-based education system, the Gurukul system, which I am creating, teaches you how to use your brain, use your computer as the internet access system. When you awaken the balance, the sixth sense, with a simple reminding you, it is your inborn tendency, innate intelligence, nothing else. You are with it, just do it. You'll see the kids will start using their brain more like computer with internet access, where the informations are available which is not fed through that computer. Any information, any knowledge created at any time in the planet Earth is available. All you need is plug the internet connection and know that you can access and download and process. The balance, the sixth sense, is not just World Wide Web. It is Cosmos Wide Web, CWW. It's not WWW. Any information created at any time can be accessed, processed and delivered. Simple understandings, clarity, giving them the courage. First thing, kids should not be brought up by the people who themselves believe their brain is like personal computer. Means they themselves have become corrupt. The corrupt people should not bring up the kids. Kids should be brought up by the people who realize that they have internet connection, or at least they understand they have some part they are not able to access. That's all. Then you will see kids happen without losing their non-mechanical parts of the brain's power. And they will happen without losing their basic intelligence. They will happen just with their nature. Just this reminding will keep them awake, keep their non-mechanical parts alive, awake. Kundalini alive, awake. And when they have some 3-4 miracles happening in their life, I tell you this one miracle in my life which happened, I realized, oh God, I am talking about the information which was never fed inside me. I am expressing information which was never fed inside me. The tremendous confidence which came in me made that Kundalini are permanent in my biomemory. It's not like, it's like a wireless internet access. First experience like a card, through card. When the experience becomes solid, it becomes just like wireless internet access. Now you know, God, I can do it. I am doing it. So if kids realize 1 or 2 miracles, then suddenly they know they can do it and they are doing it. They are doing it. Awaken the true potential just by clearly understanding. Nothing else. I tell you, the best thing can be done by a human being is living in a community where intelligence and enlightenment is in the waves, in the air. I tell you, not for promoting my Sangha, with any money, with any luxury, with any comfort, man cannot experience pleasure more than 6 points in the body. 5 senses and the heart, 6th point, that's all. But only in an intelligent community, where everything is centered on enlightenment, where the idea of enlightenment is constantly in the air, where you are hearing about it every day at least 20 times, where you are thinking about it at least 100 times a day, where constantly you are bombarded with these truths, you will have the pleasure in all points of your life.